Hello everyone, I'm Tim from Tim's PC and I build custom PCs to suit anyone's needs or budget. Also live stream my builds and repairs for transparency and educational purposes. So if you'd like to get an awesome new PC and would like to see it put together live, send me a message today. Alrighty, so tonight we're going to be building Geoff's PC. So Geoff is a local here in Brisbane and he hit me up a few days ago about this PC, and basically the main thing that he wanted was he just wanted to make sure that he could get something decent for now and that he'd be able to upgrade it in the future. So this is what we've come up with. So we've got a Ryzen 5 5600 6-core 12-thread CPU. We've got an MSI B550M Pro VDH Wi-Fi motherboard. We've got a 1TB NVMe SSD with a 5-year warranty. We've got an RTX 3060 Ti Gigabyte Gaming OC. We've got 16 gigabytes of RAM, over there. We've got a 2TB hard drive, and then we've got a big 850 watt power supply here from Gigabyte. It's also got a 10-year warranty on that one. And we're going to be putting it in the Antec D700 Flux case. So the Antec D700, full-size case, full-size graphics card, full-size coolers, all that goodness. We're just going to get stuck right into it. Being too with it. So thanks everyone for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video.